Hey guys, today we're going to make a pantry muffin mix. So we're just going to get right into it. 1, 2, 3, 4 ingredients for the dry mix, and then I can give you for if you want to make 12 or if you want to make 6. And we're just going to make 6. And we're going to try lemon blueberry streusel. I don't know if streusel goes on with lemon too, but we're doing it. And then we're going to make a little drizzle for the top of that. But I'm only making 6 of them. So we're just going to put the rest in jars. But I'll give you all of that info in the description box. So first off, I just have 5 cups of all-purpose flour in here. That's all we got. So this will make 24 muffins if that's what you want. All at once. But we're not doing that. And I have 3 tablespoons of baking powder. Okay? 1 tablespoon of salt. And 2 cups of just white granulated sugar. That is our base, guys. We just mix that all up. Guys, I hope you enjoy our videos, and if you do, share them out to your friends so they can enjoy us too. And if you don't like them, share them too so you can aggravate your friends.
That's hilarious.
Either way, share us out there, guys. We love you all. All right, so we got that mixed up. So we're going to pause, and I'm going to get the stuff out to make the muffins completed. All right, guys, we're getting ready to make the lemon blueberry streusel muffins with our pantry mix. So I have 1.5 cups of the pantry muffin mix that we just made. And we're going to put in 1 egg. We're just pouring it all in at the same time. And we're putting in 1/2 cup of milk, a 1/4 cup of melted butter, so 1/2 stick, 4 tablespoons.
And this should make 6, right?
Yep, should. I don't know how big because I have these taller muffin cups, so we'll see what we're going to make. A teaspoon of vanilla. And I have about 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice and the zest of 1 lemon. So we're going to put that in there too. Then we're going to whisk all of this together first. Guys, I haven't tasted this mix, so this is new for us too. And I'm not sure it's going to make 6 because these will probably be a little big. But, okay, so there's that. That's what it looks like. We're going to put in some blueberries. I have just took a little bit of them, of the dry mix out, and just put them in here. You can put them in some flour if you want. That's supposed to keep them from falling to the bottom when you bake them. We're just going to fold those in. All right. Now
comes the fun part.
We're going to fill our cups. All right. Oh, we're going to get 6.
Fill me up, muffin cup.
And
didn't want to drop.
got it down the side.
Nothing like fresh blueberry muffins.
Yeah, these blueberries are
With
from
the fruit
Michigan. My friend Teresa gave them to us. We might be able to make a little bit more here. It's a little bit over there. right.
Them should be some big muffins, huh?
I'm going to get another cup and do one more just because I want to put some streusel on those, so I don't want to make them too full. So, all right, guys, I got 7 of them here. So in here, I have a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. So we're going to mix that all up. And then we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Now at this point, if you're making something, a different kind of muffin, you can put nuts in this if you want, make them really crunchy. If you want chocolate muffins, just add the cocoa into the mix like you would on the chocolate cake. You can have chocolate muffins with chocolate chips in them and ganache on top. That would be a belly thing. So we'll put in our 2 tablespoons of butter. Stir this up till we get a little bit of a crumble here. I can't wait to taste these. Lemon blueberry, that's one of my favorites.
Yeah, that bread you made was killer.
And the biscuits I made.
Lemon blueberry bread. And
I made
the biscuits.
Yeah. You tell we like lemon blueberry.
We was on a kick there for a while, wasn't we?
All right. And yes, my hands are washed. So
We all know that.
we're just going to sprinkle some of this on all of them.
I like a lot of streusel.
Yeah, so it's falling all over the place while we're eating it, right?
That's how I like it.
I know. And this is just enough streusel for all of these. It's perfect.
She said, "Perfect."
Yeah. So let's put some more on there.
And what's Billy having for dinner?
As he's cooking in the background here.
Ramen noodles.
He's a ramen noodle king.
I love them. I don't eat them often, but
Yeah, lots of sodium and stuff in them.
I like them.
All right, guys, we're going in a 400-degree oven for 15 to 18 minutes, and we'll show you. All right, guys, took them out of the oven. They was in there for 18 minutes. I've got one out here. I made just a little bit of icing, and icing's optional. But it's got lemon juice in it, some butter, powdered sugar, and a little bit of vanilla. So we're just going to drizzle that all over me and the plate. All right, let's give her a try. That's very good, guys. Like I said, I put some lemon juice in that drizzle on top. And these are lemon blueberry muffins. Let me try this one. All right, guys, I went ahead and iced them all. They look so good. And they are so good. Here we go again, because, you know, you can't get enough of a lemon blueberry muffin. So good. So, guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith Show. Peace out, guys. Have a great day.